This 1963 Bentley S3 Continental has been forgotten for years, but I'll bring it back to glory.
Deal done. This car is ours now, and the restoration starts today.
The 1963 Bentley S3 Continental sits lost in weeds, rusted over, waiting for a second life. Up close, paint blisters and rust bubbles show exactly where the metal has started failing. Inside, dust and cracked leather tell the story of years of neglect and moisture. The hood opens to a tired engine bay, corroded clamps and dry leaves packed everywhere. Underneath, thick mud and old oil cling to the chassis like hardened armor. In the workshop, it rises on the lift, and the real restoration begins. The winch pulls slowly and the tires drag as the car finally moves again. Soft brushing knocks loose dust and the surface starts to breathe again. Foam spreads across the panels, turning brown as grime melts and runs. Pressure washing peels off mud in sheets, revealing edges and seams again. The underbody rinse drops heavy clumps to the floor, one satisfying splash at a time. Wheel scrubbing releases black brake dust, running down like ink in water. Every bolt and clip is sorted neatly, setting up a clean, careful rebuild. The 1963 Bentley S3 Continental front end comes apart, chrome lifting away from rusty brackets. The rear bumper comes off, exposing dirt-packed seams and hidden corrosion. Old sealant cracks as the windshield is freed, revealing rust under the channel. Seats lift out and the floor underneath shows rust spots and trapped debris. Door panels pop loose, uncovering dry mechanisms and aging wiring behind them. The radiator is removed, its fins dull and stained from years of sitting. Hub and brake hardware breaks free, and the parts lower onto a padded cart. Degreaser turns oily buildup into dark sludge that drips away slowly. A wire wheel strips flaky rust, and bright bare metal starts to appear. Orbital sanding evens the surface, leaving a smooth, matte pattern across the panel. Media blasting cleans tight seams, erasing rust from corners and spot weld lines. Rotten floor metal is cut out and thin perforated steel drops away cleanly. A fresh patch is welded in, sparks fading into a solid, even bead. Welds are ground flush until the joint disappears into the surrounding metal. The door is aligned carefully, and the panel gap tightens into a straight line. A thin skim of filler smooths tiny waves, shaping the surface back to perfect. Block sanding removes the guide coat evenly, revealing a flat, straight panel. Masking seals the edges, and a tack cloth lifts the last dust specks. Epoxy primer coats everything in uniform, gray, clean, and consistent. Deep color goes on the 1963 Bentley S3 Continental, and reflections start forming with each pass. Clear coat floods the surface, turning the finish wet, glossy, and glass-like. Under booth lights, the paint cures, and the depth of the finish grows. Wet sanding creates a milky slurry, then rinses away to smoothness. Machine polishing removes haze, sharpening reflections into a mirror shine. Fully restored, the 1963 Bentley S3 Continental gleams, chrome crisp, paint deep, and showroom clean.